Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can add a new customer or client on Sage Accounting software. To add a new customer or client, we can go through quick links, clicking on pink button, and we can add a customer by clicking on this section, or we can go through contacts section and click on customers. To add a new customer, click on New Customer and fill in details as requested. So starting with the main information, then with account details and default account. So if it's customer, so you just need to specify what sales category this customer will fall. Delivery address, if it's the same as invoice address, tick there, but if delivery address differs, and ticket. Add payment details, and this would include if you need to set some particular credit limits. That means that if you need to issue invoice above that amount and it has been reached, that invoice will be not created or warning pop-up will show up. Also, you can set the credit terms, for example, how long this client can take to pay. If it needs to be immediately paid, then that will mean that you will need to change 30 days to 0, or 14 days, 7 days, or 30 days. Also, you can select the default. So if you have set up different prices for sales price, trade and wholesale, you can select if this customer falls under one of those sections, and any other notes what your staff or yourself need to be aware about this client. So I will fill in client's card now. So I will select business name. Okay, so I have added new customer. If we need to amend details, you can click on event planner, and this will be this client's card. To amend details, you can click on contacts and addresses if you need to amend address or you need to amend main contact person details. If you need to add payment details, you just need to go on this section. If there is any options, you can under options we can check more information like about GDPR or statement runs, if statements can be sent, or if you need to contact completely different person, for example as a finance department. And then we can add any notes for staff to be able to see if there is something what they need to be aware of. So for example, to contact particular person for particular issue. So this is a way how you can add a customer on Sage Accounting software. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Also, if you have decided to start using Sage Accounting software for your business, but you don't know how and where to start, then I have shared a link in the description section below of my complete and full Sage tutorial. So you can watch it first.